Welcome to this new video. Foreground subjects is a really big topic in the landscape photography. Which book you read, which website you read, they always talk about including a foreground subject. But what they often forget to tell you is to include a good foreground subject. So that's where this video is about. I'm going to talk about what is a good foreground subject to include in your photo and what not. Enjoy watching this video and have fun. Foreground elements are always a topic in landscape photography, and imagine this photo without the boat in the front. It will be only water and nothing is going on there. Of course, it can be still a nice photo, but the message I want to share in this video is if you include a foreground subject, make sure the foreground subject really adds something to the photo. What I often see in photographs is that a tree or some leaves are used as foreground and the tree just pops up a little bit here in the corner or maybe in the corner down. That doesn't really add something to your photo because you can find it everywhere in the internet, include a foreground subject, and people think, yeah, if I include that tree, I have a foreground subject, so that makes my photo better. But in general, it doesn't, because it doesn't add anything to the scenery you capture. And on the other hand, just a small subject in the foreground, it's only distracting more than it really adds something. And what I found out is if you add a subject that really belongs to the, if you really add a foreground subject that really match the background or everything you can see in the middle, it makes your photo much stronger. And what I did here, this photo was taken in Rotterdam, in my hometown. Rotterdam has a very big port, so in the river in Rotterdam you see many of those ships. They go to Germany, often in direction of Germany. So I was waiting here to take this photo, but I was waiting for the boats. So I really wanted to take this photo with a boat in the foreground, also to fill the water a little bit. Otherwise I think there will be too much water, too much empty space. So that's why I waited for the boat to be in the foreground, and when the boat was there I shot the photo. So always think about your foreground subject if you include one. Important to realize if it really adds something to your photo, and also make sure it doesn't get too messy and doesn't cover the background too much, because if this boat is a little bit more to the left, it will cover it will have an overlap, more overlap with the buildings here, and in this case it is much better to have some space, some water in between the boat and the houses. That really makes it a foreground subject. Otherwise it looks kind of sticky to the buildings. So that's the message of this video. Hopefully you learned something new. Don't forget to share this video and like this video, and please leave a comment below to share your thoughts about this tip. Did you like this photography video? Please like this video and check out our recommended video for more tips.